Hello and welcome to this short instructional video on how to get OOMMF running on Windows. OOMMF, also known as Object-Oriented Micromagnetic Framework, is a micromagnetic simulation software that is used for simulations of thin films and kind of systems that are within a few nanometers to several hundred micrometers. And these are usually magnetic systems where you want to get an understanding of how the elements within the system interact with each other and so on. So to get it running, I'm just going to open up my web browser here, and I'm just going to search for OOMMF. So OOMMF is a project from the National Institutes of Science and Technology at the U.S. Department of Commerce. So you can go through the website and read through a lot of the documentation and so forth. They even have tutorial series that you can go through. But I'm just going to show you how to get it up and running. So I'm going to go to software, and I'm going to go with the 1.2, which is the latest stable release. I'm just going to click on that. And then it's going to ask me what type of OOMMF am I looking for. Am I looking for the precompiled libraries or the ones that are not precompiled? I'm going to go with the precompiled libraries. So I'm just going to go with the 64-bit Windows executable archive. So it says source with precompiled library. So I'm just going to click on that. I'm just going to click on open. And then I'm going to extract all the files, and I'm just going to save it on my desktop. Click on extract there. Alright, once it's up and running, what you want to do is then simply just go to your web browser once again and type in active TCL. So you're going to see this link here for activestate.com. And so the OOMMF software that I downloaded is for ActiveTCL 8.66 or later. So I'm going to download the ActiveTCL 8.6 or later. So it's going to ask you for information to sign up if you're not if you don't have an account already. I already do. Alright, so once you're in, you just want to go to download builds. And you want to navigate to Windows, and you want to download the executable. And just click on Save File. And then I'm just going to execute the file. This window is going to come up here. You just click Next, accept the user agreement. Go for a typical installation. So you might want to make sure that you don't have your antivirus software flagging active TCL. So you just want to make sure that TCL is not being firewalled. Alright, and once it's done, just click on Finish. And what I'm going to do here is to get OOMMF up and running, I'm just going to type in cmd. I'm going to run the command prompt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the directory to where I have OOMMF saved. So I'm going to double click here on OOMMF here. So the directory where it's saved is in my C documents and so on. My documents, OOMMF, blah 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 blah, and then OOMMF. So in command prompt, what I'm going to do is type cd space, and I'm going to copy this path and paste it, and just press enter. And then to get OOMMF running, you just type oomph.tcl and minimize the window here. You'll see a window pop up here, and it's going to have the name of your computer. So I'm just going to click on it, and then you can see OOMMF running here. So this is the main window that pops up, and this is just the name of your computer. And in the next video, I'll show you how to get a simulation up and running.